So friends, today I discuss about the Monster Find job. This is a better opportunity to get an online job. So for further more discussion, I want to discuss you more about it. This is a recruitment teacher for all over India. This is a on par house. This is situated in the Delhi, Kolkata. This is a previous online tuitions and home tuition in India. We can apply from this is apply. This is here. I can click this here, and let's see what will be happen. And this is will open it right now, and you see that this is a lot of things is there, but we have to just only click on the update button because previous your previous account will be uploaded here. This is like my resume is here, right there, right here. And actually I have uploaded my result here, and this is the skills that I have needed. That is good English is needed here, so I have put it here. I know English very well, good efficient, so that I put it here. And this is a download, this is delete button. Okay, and then suddenly this is then see that overall these things. And this is we have to see that because we are as a customer or so we cannot do unknown things, so we have to take 100% sure about it, what is going to be we have to do. And okay, this is so yeah, this is IT skills that I have. 2D drafting I have version 2, last used I have used in 2018. Experience I have 1 year. And this is the industry that I have mentioned here, automotive, and I'm very essential about it. I need it in jobs in automobile and automotive and ancillaries and airlines, aviation, aerospace. First of all, I'm going to tell you what is the aviation means. Aviation means you are just just trying to be learning about aircrafts and all the things. That is the very important. This is come under the aviation. So function here, this is analytic function. This is analytics, business intelligence. See, this is a kind of what this is type of business here, so we can go through it also. And what is the role here? We can work as a data analyst also. Yeah, job type here means you want to permanent job or temporary job. If you want both of this, we can put it here both. And the employment type, that's it's up to you. Do you want what type of employment type we can mention it. And this is a preferred sheet. If you want, you can mention as per your location. You can prefer your location here. And expected salary, if you want, you can. And are you willing to be for working for 6 days and 5 days? You can click here, and then we can go it. If you know, no. So this is all. But I am the fresher here, so going to the work. I don't have any work experience, so I will mention here I don't have any work experience. And education details here. I've taken the which institute. I have the Abdul Kalam Institute of Technology. I have taken this is so I just here mention. I have done projects here, so I can put it here in the project. And course certification, if we have any course certification, yes, I have course certification. I can be mentioned here. This is I'm going to add what certificate of what I have. I have learned machine language. Yeah, if you want, I can certify this is all things. So thank you so much.